Hello friends. In this session, we have learned about heuristics. Before starting this session, I explained some basic fundamental about search technology. We know many traditional search algorithms are used in AI application. For complex problem, the traditional algorithm are unable to find the solution within some practical time and space limit. Accordingly, many special techniques are developed using heuristic functions. The algorithms that use heuristic functions are called heuristics algorithms. So I start this session with search strategies. There are two types of search strategies, like first is uninformed search or blind search. This type of search strategy does not have any additional information about the state except the information provided in the problem definition. They can only generate the successor and decide a goal state from a non-goal state. This type of search does not maintain any internal state. That's why it is known as blind search. Therefore, we can say that this type of search through the search space all possible candidates for the solution, checking whether each candidate satisfies the problem's statement. I explain this the example. If I have start state S and goal state G and intermediate state A, with the help of intermediate state, we can reach to goal state. So, in uninformed search, we can only know in which coast we reach our start state to intermediate state, but we cannot know in which coast our intermediate state reach to goal state. Now, I explain this in deep. Depth first search and breadth first search are example of blind or uninformed search strategies. Breadth first search produce an optimal solution, but it still search blindly through the state space. Neither use any knowledge about the specific domain in question to search through the state space in more directed manner. If the search space is big, blind search can simply take too large to be practical or can significantly limit how deep we are able to look into the space. Next is informed search, or we can say heuristic search. This type of search strategy contains some additional information about the states beyond the problem definition. This search uses problem-specific knowledge to find more efficient solution. This search maintains some sort of internal states via heuristic function, which provides hints. So it is called heuristic search. Therefore, we can say that this type of search strategy, which is better than another at identifying the most promising branches of a search space, is said to be more informed. I explain this with example. If I have start state S and goal state G and intermediate state A, with the help of intermediate state, we can reach to goal state. So, in informed search, we can know in which coast we can reach our start state to intermediate state and in which coast our intermediate state reach to goal state. So, we can say that a search strategy which search the most promising branches of the state space for first, find a solution more quickly. Find solution even when there is limited time available. Often find a better solution since more profitable parts of the state space can be examined. For that we have ignoring the unprofitable parts. Now I have discussed on heuristics. A heuristics is a method that might not always find the best solution, but guarantee to find a good solution in reasonable time. By sacrificing completeness. It increases efficiency. Useful in solving through problem which could not be solved any other way. Solution take an infinite time or very long time to compute. Now, I have discussed common fundamentals which is used to generate heuristic search method. First, we have generate a possible solution which can either be a point in the problem space or a path from the initial state. Now, we have generated the test to see if this possible solution is a real solution by comparing the states reached with the state of goal. And last, we have checked if it is a real solution then exits. Otherwise, repeat from 1. Now, we have discussed the heuristic function in AI. To find a solution in proper time rather than a complete solution in unlimited time, we use heuristics. A heuristic function is a function that map from problem state description to measure of popularity, usually represent as a numbers. Heuristic search method use knowledge about the problem domain and choose promising operator first. Means the heuristic search method use heuristic function to evaluate the next state toward the goal state. For finding a solution by using the heuristic technique, one should carry out the following steps. First is add domain, means specific information to select what is the best path to continue searching along. Second is define a heuristic function h of n that estimate the goodness of a node n. Here, specially h of n is estimated cost or distance for minimal cost path from n to a goal state. Here, the term heuristics mean serving to add discovery and is an estimate based on domain specific information that is computable from the current state description of how close we are to goal. Third and last, we have choose an appropriate function greatly affects the effectiveness of the state space search. Means it tells us which parts of the state space to search next. So we can say that a heuristics evaluation function which accurately represents the actual cost of getting to a goal state means it tells us very clearly which node is the state space to expand next and lead us quickly to the goal state. Now, I explained the characteristics of heuristic search. It likes heuristics are knowledge about domain, which help search and reasoning in its domain. Heuristic search incorporates domain knowledge to improve efficiency over blind search. Heuristics is a function that, when applied to a state, returns value as estimated merit of state with respect to goal. For that, we can say heuristics might underestimate or overestimate the merit of a state with respect to goal. Heuristics that underestimate are desirable and called admissible. Heuristics evaluation function estimate likelihood for given state leading to goal state. Heuristic search function estimates cost of current state to goal, means presuming function is efficient. Now, I have discussed on how to find the heuristics value. For that, I have explained the straight line distance method in heuristic. This method is used in traveling salesman problem. In this type of problem, we have given two things. First is map of city with its distance as well as start node and goal node. And second is straight line distance, value of different city to goal node. In this, we have only considered the straight line distance value to find out goal. So for that problem, first I have generate node A successor because it's start node. So node A has node B, C and D successor. Now see node B, C and D heuristics value to reach goal node. Node B has 33 heuristics value. Node C has 26 heuristics value and node D has 34 heuristics value. Now, based on less heuristics value, we have select node C and generate its successor to reach our goal node. Node C has E and F successor. Now see the node E and F heuristics value to reach goal node. Node E has 20 heuristics value. Node F has 18 heuristic value. Now, based on less heuristics value, we have select node F and generate its successor. Node F has only one successor and it's G. Now see, the node G is our goal node. So its value is 0. So this way we have reached our goal node. Now we have generated the path to reach our goal node and it's A to C, C to F, F to G. Now I have explained the heuristic method for compare misplaced digit in 8 puzzle. This method is used in 8 puzzle problem. In this type of problem, we have given two things. First is initial state and second is goal state. In this, we have compared the initial state digit with goal state digit and find out misplaced digit count. So for that problem, first we have see the initial state and generate its successor and find out misplaced digit. In this example, we have compared initial state and goal state. So we have see in this initial state, we have 3 misplaced digit and that digit is 4, 5, 8. So its heuristics value is 3. We can take another example so we can better understand how to find misplaced digit. In this example again, we have compare initial state and goal state. So we have see in this initial state, we have 4 misplaced digit and that digit is 1, 4, 5, 8. So its heuristics value is 4. Now, I have explained the heuristic method for Manhattan distance in 8 puzzle. This method is used in 8 puzzle problem. In this type of problem, we have given two things. First is initial state and second is goal state. In this, we have compared the initial state digit with goal state digit and find out misplaced digit distance. Now, we have find out Manhattan distance for this problem. Now, first, we have see in initial state of digit 1 and check in goal state digit 1 has proper place or not. So in goal state, digit 1 has proper place. So its distance is 0. Now we have seen in initial state of digit 2 and check in goal state digit 2 has proper place or not. So in goal state digit 2 has not in proper place. So for that proper place we have moved one left side steps. So digit 2 has in proper place. So its distance is 1. Now we have seen in initial state for digit 3 and check in goal state digit 3 has proper place or not. So in goal state digit 3 has not in proper place. So for that proper place we have moved one right side step. So digit 3 has in proper place. So its distance is 1. Now we have see in initial state for digit 4 and check in goal state digit 4 has proper place or not. So in goal state digit 4 has not in proper place. So for that proper place we have moved to left side step. So digit 4 has in proper place. So its distance is 2. Now we have seen initial state for digit 5 and check in goal state digit 5 has proper place or not. So in goal state digit 5 has proper place. So its distance is 0. Now we have seen in initial state for digit 6 and check in goal state digit 6 has proper place or not. So in goal state digit 6 has not in proper place. So for that proper place we have moved to right side step. So digit 6 has in proper place. So its distance is 2. Now we have seen initial state for digit 7 and check in goal state digit 7 has proper place or not. So in goal state digit 7 has not in proper place. So for that proper place we have moved to left side step. So digit 7 has in proper place. So its distance is 2. Now we have seen in initial state for digit 8 and check in goal state digit 8 has proper place or not. So in goal state digit 8 has proper place. So its distance is 0. So for this way we have find out Manhattan distance. In this example Manhattan distance is 8. So this way we have find out heuristics functions value. So thank you friends watching this video. I hope you can understand all the concept of heuristics. Thank you.